Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the Windows 11 March 2026 cumulative update KB5079473. This covers OS builds 26,000, 200.8037, and 26,100.8037 for versions 25H2 and 24H2. This update is packed with major features rolling over from February's preview, plus some essential under the hood fixes. Before we get to the live demos, a quick heads up on Microsoft's official announcements. Secure boot certificates used by most Windows devices are set to expire starting in June 2026. Make sure your devices are updating to avoid boot disruptions. Also, the redesigned Start menu and the updated battery icon are continuing their gradual rollout to more devices. Let's start with one of the most requested quality of life updates. You can now run a built-in network speed test right from your taskbar. Just right-click the network icon in the system tray. It measures Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and cellular speeds directly in your default browser. For the IT pros and power users, this is huge. System Monitor, or Sysmon, is now a native Windows feature. It captures system events for threat detection and writes them directly to the Windows event log. It is turned off by default. You can enable it via the optional features menu in settings or by using DISM in command prompt. Just remember, if you have the old Sysinternals version installed, uninstall it first before flipping this native switch. If you have a supported webcam, you no longer need third-party software to adjust your frame. Head into your camera settings and you'll find native sliders to control pan and tilt. And for personalization, Windows 11 finally natively supports WebP images for your desktop background. You can set them straight from settings or just right-click a WebP file in File Explorer and set it as desktop background. Search is getting smarter. Group headers now show exactly how many results are available, and you can hover over a result and click Preview to see the content without fully opening it. Over in the Widgets app, the settings menu has been upgraded to a full-page experience rather than a cramped dialog box. Finally, for you texters, Emoji 16 is here, bringing a thoughtfully curated set of new emojis, including a fingerprint and a leafless tree. Rounding out the update are the core March fixes. Microsoft improved File Explorer search reliability across multiple drives. They also resolved a Windows Defender application control bug where COM objects were being incorrectly blocked. For enterprises, remote server administration tools are now officially supported on Windows 11 ARM64 devices, and the Quick Machine Recovery feature is now turning on automatically for non-domain joined Windows Pro devices. There are also a ton of under-the-hood reliability improvements for printing, sleep states, and nearby sharing. Make sure to hit update if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited about and subscribe for more contents like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.